Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write consecutive automatically dates in Excel. In order to do that, I have created the date column, for example, and as first we have to put the start date that we want to fill in consecutive. For this example, I'm gonna put the 1st of January 2025. This is right in European style, this date, pressing enter, and I have write it. I'm coming once again to A2 cell, and now from our keyboard we are pressing and releasing the Alt key, and we are typing HFIS. Here we have opened the series window, and from here we're gonna select the column type because we want in column style to fill the dates, and for the type we're gonna select the date as we said, and the date unit will be day, the step will be 1, and the stop date will be the date that we desire to stop. For this example, I'm gonna stop on 31st December 2025. Pressing OK, and as you can see, the dates have filled automatically. Let's go all the way down and see where the date is stopping, and 31st December 2025 is the end date. And this is how simple it is to fill the dates automatically and very quick in Excel. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.